going to Tagaytay right now. As of the moment, we're in our grab ride on the way to PTEX. Doon kami sasakay ng bus to Tagaytay. See you there! What's up everyone? So I'm already here in the bus to Tagaytay. Dito kami sa PITX ngayon. Tip lang, if you want to go to Tagaytay and magko-commute kayo, much better to go here in PITX since there are a lot of buses na papuntang diretsong Tagaytay na. I think the travel time would be 2 hours. I can't wait since this would be my first time in Tagaytay. Excited. So yung pamasahe is 106. We're finally here in Tagaytay on our way sa Wind Residences. Pala yung Tagaytay. This is my first time going here. I thought sobrang lamig talaga, like very cold, but hindi naman pala masyado. Sucks lang. Pero hindi siya mainit, hindi siya humid. Okay siya, comfortable yung air, yung weather dito. I'm loving it. Medyo mahaba-haba din yung nilakad namin from the Petron crossing. Hindi talaga mahaba, pero siguro mga 5 minutes or 10. Ganun lang. Punta na po kami sa aming Airbnb room dito sa Wind Residences. Wow, I'm so amazed with the view, guys. This is my first time to see the Taal, the beautiful Taal. Amazing! What's up everyone? Alright, so we are already here in Tagaytay and we are staying here at Ezra's Haven in the Wind Residences here in Tagaytay, syempre. And I'll give you some room tour, no? So you'll have an idea where to stay, especially if you are looking for a place to stay here in Tagaytay. If you're a tourist, local, or international tourist. So yun, let's start! Alright, pagkapasok mo pa lang, ano na siya, may kitchen. So, in the kitchen, daming mga appliances. We have the oven, water boiler, and then mga utensils dito. Utensils yun. So, very sulit talaga dito, no? Then stove. And yun. So, dala ko na to. Dala namin to. So, hindi to siya kasali dito. Okay? You have to buy that one. Syempre. And we also have the comfort room here, di ba? Ang ganda. Tadaan! Sean! This is the comfort room here at Ezra's Haven. So, medyo nagamit ko na siya kanina. Nag-gems ako agad from Manila. Ezra's Haven, di ba? Ganda. And this is the bathroom. May heater siya, syempre, since dito sa Tagaytay, parang malamig talaga siya, especially at night and early in the morning. So, kailangan natin ng heater para hindi tayo ginawin sa pagligo natin, no? And may mga sila dito, liquid soap, conditioner, shampoo. Parang dito na lahat, no? So you don't have to worry anything. So, yun. I love this place talaga. May mga ano pa, oh. May toothpaste, hand soap. Yeah, after that, let's go to the living room. But before pala dito sa living room, meron silang shoe rack Here, you could put your slippers and your shoes. And then, I love it since meron silang slippers na inihanda talaga for the guests. Ang ganda ng chandelier. I love this. Ang ganda lang. And then, the fridge. It's the fridge. Tabi lang siya ng sofa. Oops, sorry sa kalat. And then, taran! It's the TV. And then, they also have karaoke set here. Yun, ganda ng nila, soundbar, JBL. And then, yun, we could do some karaoke sessions. And then, they also have a guitar. Ta-da! No? So, if you're a music lover and you know how to play guitar, yun, I recommend you this place. Yeah, and next up, let's go to the bedroom. This is Ezra's Heaven's bedroom here in Tagaytay. Yun, daming kortina. Kortina si Mayora. Yun. Ang galing, ang ganda. Oy, this is mine. This is mine. This is mine. Nalagay ko na siya. Nice. May mga books which I love. Yun. May Joe Malone, pero mga Jenga yung laman. May bra. Then may telephone. This is the bed. It's so nice here. I like the headboard. Okay, and we have the aparador's cabinet. The most exciting part in our stay here in Tagaytay, it's the view of the Taal volcano. So, yeah. Yun! Oh my god, I love the terrace here. Medyo umuulan na doon na side. Umuulan siya. Here, this is the Taal, guys. Taal volcano. It's color white right now since parang may mini eruption daw 2 weeks ago. So, medyo puno siya ng mga ashes. So, yun. And then, yun, I love the view so much. If you guys want to, like, if you guys are you know, are looking for a place to stay here in Tagaytay, I recommend this Ezra's Haven here in Wind Residences Tagaytay. You could check it out via Airbnb or Agoda or any apps, booking apps. 100% recommending this Ezra's place here in Tagaytay. Aside from the good interior niya, at the same time, ganda din ng view of the Taal volcano. Check it out. What's up, everyone? So, we're trying to look for a food place para makapag-lunch kami. So we are walking down the streets of Tagaytay to find some food place for our lunch. If you're new here, marami mga food places dito. You just have to find a good one that will suit your taste buds. Taste buds? Pero parang nakakapagod din maglakad, no? Sa hinaba-haba ng nilakad, no? Sa Shakey's lang pala yung bagsakan. Shakey's Tagaytay. It's my first time, no? Dito sa Shakey's Tagaytay. And nag-serve agad sila ng water. Wala ito sa Cebu eh. Walang automatic service water sa Cebu eh. Kailangan ka pang humingi eh. What's up, everyone? Currently here at Starbucks Tagaytay. Ayan, Starbucks Tagaytay. I really love the place lang, like, ano lang, opinion ko lang and observation and reaction on how is Tagaytay. Parang I could see myself living here for good kasi parang ang chill lang ng life dito, tapos hindi masyadong mainit, and parang gustong gusto ko siya, like yung mga kahoy, mga trees niya dito, parang siyang nasa abroad. Feels like I'm in Switzerland. Mga pine trees. Parang na-imagine ko yung self ko living here in Tagaytay talaga. I like this place. Recommended. What's up everyone? Alright, since it's our day 1 here in Tagaytay, we'll be going to the famous Skyranch. I think it's just near. Maybe we could just walk papunta doon, or maybe we could ride a tricycle. We're riding a tricycle on our way to Skyranch. Lucky us since may nag-aabang na ng tricycle sa tapat na with residences. Alright, guess what? We're looking at my favorite ride. It's the Super Viking. My God, hindi na ako mamatay nito sa Andrew World. What's up everyone, it's our day 2 here in Tagaytay, and look at this. Taal is already covered with fog, and the fog is already going here in our room. It's my first time to see this kind of view. Well, amazing.